Children, I am going to explain chapter 10, expressing obligation. What is the meaning of obligation? Obligation means moral duties. So let's see that how to express obligation. If we want to express any obligation, so how you express, we learn this in this chapter. Let's see the chapter. A boy and his mother have just arrived into a zoo. You see here a mother and with her son visited the zoo. Let's see what happened there. Look, a boy is climbing the railing. Someone must stop him. Children, you see here, someone must stop him now. It's an obligation. It's a moral duty that a boy is trying to climb on the railing. So it's a moral duty to stop him doing this. Mother says this. Let's see the next picture. Don't, Jimmy, don't. Oh no. Look, he is fallen into the pit. Where are the parents? They ought to stop him. Children, they ought to stop him also a moral duty. Means anyone should stop him doing this. His mother also called him not to do, but he was not hearing his mother. And all of a sudden he fell into the pit. Pit means a higher land. So here pit means the land that is higher land that is made for living the gorillas. You see in the picture, in the cage, there are many gorillas. So the other mother also gave a sentence that they ought to stop him now. So it's also an obligation. Means someone have to stop him. Let's see the next picture. Let's see the next picture. She is not allowing the other gorillas to go near her. What we see? Look, the mother gorilla has taken the boy in her arms. There was a mother gorilla who took the boy into her laps. And she is not allowing anybody to go near the boy. We must separate the mother gorilla from the other gorillas. Here there are some guards who told that they must separate mother gorilla with the other gorillas. So this sentence is also the obligation. Let's see the next page. What we should do now, this is also the obligation. They were trying to do something, so they asked to each other what they should do. Let's see the next. We should not frighten the animal now. It might harm the boy. The other guard says that they should not be frightened. They should not frighten to the animal. Frighten means afraid of. Got afraid. So others said that it might harm the boy. How do we do that? Now they are discussing that how to separate the mother gorilla with the other boys. With the other gorillas, we must spray water between them and create a well. Then they made a plan to spray water and made a wall of the water to separate gorillas and mother gorillas. What a brilliant idea. Then the other guard says that it was a very brilliant idea. It's a brilliant idea. Look, the gorilla has left the boy near the door. In this picture, we see that the mother gorilla left the boy near the door. Excellent. What a kind animal. It's a wonderful act. This is for the act of kindness. So it shows that the mother gorilla is very kind animal. She put the baby near the door so the people can take it. We must open the door and take him out. The guard decided that they should take out the boy from there. So it's an obligation also. That's the doctor already here. He is breathing. A doctor must see him immediately. He must be taken to hospital immediately. Now they checked the boy. They found that the boy was breathing at that time. So they decided to take him to the hospital because the boy was breathing and he needs a doctor at the time. So children, in this chapter we see that for the obligation we use should, ought to and must. You see here it is given in the picture. In the communication we often express what is necessary using the modal verb must, should and ought to. Both must and should to are commonly used for the purpose. However, should is not as strong as must. So children, must, should and ought to be used to show the obligation. Must is used for the necessary actions. And ought to and should are used for the purpose and for the suggestion. So children, must is used for the compulsion, necessary things, and ought to and should are used for the suggestions. Okay children, I hope you understood this. Now your homework is this. This is the exercise you have to do using the model ought to, should and must. So you have to complete this exercise in the homework rough copy. Okay, thank you so much.